Nami got his packages today. We got the pillow case for $2.48 from Temu. The canvas print, which you'll see in the video, which is pretty awesome, for $5.48. And I got Love a Bully sticker for my car. And then we got the 50 by 40 Pitbull fleece blanket. It was $13.98, but you get a lot of coupons in Temu. So I think the grand total was like half of what it should have been.
You got a package, buddy.
Tsunami, did you get a package? Did you get a package from Temu? Is that where it's from?
Yep.
Okay.
Trying to open it, buddy. I'm trying to open it as fast as I can, man. I'm also trying not to harm anything in it.
Maverick, you haven't gotten a package yet. We're going to have to get you a package.
They do some pretty good packaging.
They do, and they're really fast too, because we like just ordered that. This is not a sponsor. We actually bought these items.
I'm working on it, buddy. What is this? Buddy, let's find out.
Don't tear it. All right, hold on a second.
The confusion of packages. This side too.
Tsunami's like, I'll help you open it. Let me have it.
Oh, you want to try open it? Yeah, okay, you gotta give me a minute though. You can't open it yet. Look, let's open it.
Oh, wow.
Tsunami, you see
That
it?
is really cool.
Tsunami, look!
Wow, and it's like actually on canvas. Tsunami, did you like the picture of you?
Look, it's a picture of you.
Wow.
You gonna give a kiss? Okay, you can't eat it. You gotta give kisses.
Cool.
Alright, let's see what's next, buddy.
Go. Is it the bully decal for the car? I don't know if we can see it. Oh, no, we can't. We can't make it
It's
out.
a white puffy.
We'll be able to see it on the car.
Tsunami, do you want to see it? Can you see it? Yeah, I know you can. Oh. Tsunami, you want to get out for me? You want to get out for me? Here. Stand up, buddy. You don't want to see it?
He's like, y'all interrupted me during my nap time.
Tsunami, look.
It's a pillowcase. That looks like Tsunami. It looks like you, Tsunami.
It does.
Really?
He said, oh, right now it's nap time.
It's nap time.
It's nap. Tsunami, we got one more. You can't be going to bed on us today. We got one more packet. Then you can go to bed. We promise. Explaining some really good packaging. Tsunami, what's this? Tsunami, look! It's a blanket!
Well, Olivia,
Look! Do you like it?
can you hold it up so we can see what it looks like?
Oh, yeah, sure.
It's sideways.
Oh. Where?
That's the bottom. That's upside down.
This is complicated.
There we go. Wow.
Oh,
That's pretty cool. That's a pretty big blanket. Like,
You know
it's a
what?
really nice size throw.
Alright, take a nap.
We're going to be using that for camping for sure.
Take a nap.
Tsunami. Did you need a new blanket? Did you need a new blanket for camping? Are you stuck?
I got it, buddy.
All right. Well, that was a pretty awesome Temu haul. It fit perfect right over the bed. Tsunami, what do you think? Did it fit perfect? It wasn't a treat, so you're not happy about it. Did you like your picture? Did you see your picture even? No? It's raining, so you're sleepy? Okay. Alright. You don't got to get down. Let's look at the picture one more time. It's beautiful. And it says, beware of pit bulls. They will steal your heart. Even though we're not a pit bull, it looks like you anyway.